Welcome to all. This is Logeshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, St.Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. Today we will learn about C structures. See the structure. What is mean by structure? It is another user-defined data type in C. So it can allow the combine the more data items. A structure are used to represent a record. Suppose if you want to keep track of your books in the library, you want to track the following attributes: title, author, subject code, book ID. So defining the structure. So how to define the structure? You have to follow some syntax here. Structure tag. After that you can open the structure, you have to the open brace. So after that you can define the member functions. So at the end of the structure you should give the close brace. After that you have to declare the more structure variables. So the structured statement is define a new data type with more than one structure tag is optional. So each member definition is the normal variable definition, such as integer I or float I or WD. So that is the example for the normal definition. This is also here we can use that structure also. At the end of the structure's definition, before you can give the final semicolon, and you can specify one or more structure variables, but it is also optional. So next it is an example for the book structure. For example, first you have to create the struct keyword. After that you can give the structure name. Then when you start the structure, you have to give the open brace, and you have these variable definitions here: title, author, subject and book ID. Okay, so the end of the structure you have to give the close brace, and it can declare the one structure variable book. Okay, so after that you can give the semicolon. C program is compared to structure variable. Okay, the structure is a collection of different data type variable, so which are grouped together under a single name. Okay, so declaration and initialization of structures. First we can see that declaration of structures. Okay, so how to declare the structure? First you can give the data type and you can give the member name. Okay, after that you have to use struct keyword, then you have to give the tag name, and the structure will be started. You can give the define the variable. Okay, as after that you can give any structure declaration, and end of the statement you have to put a semicolon. Okay, struct is here keyword. The tag name specify the name of the structure. Okay, so member 1, member 2 specify the data items. Example for the book structure. So first you can give the struct keyword. After that you can give the tag name. After that you have to declare the member as pages, author and price. This example is not the structure variable, just to close the structure. Okay, so after that, so initializing and accessing of structure. So how to initialize a structure? This is an example here. So first one structure. After that you can give the tag name, that you can give that data members. After that you close the structure with closed brace. After that you can give the structure variable equal to, you have to initialize the some values to the member variable. Okay, so 100 is assigned to pages, volume is assigned to the author, so price value is the 325 is assigned to price. Okay, 32 method to declare the structure variable. So what is the example here? Struct keyword. After that open the structure and declare the variables. After that close the structure, then you can declare the structure variable with a semicolon. Okay, so method 3, this method is example for the outside declaration of structures. Okay, so for example you can give the struct keyword. After that you can give the book. Okay, that is a tag name. After that structure will be open, that can declare the member variable. After that is a close structure with a semicolon. Then outside the structure it can declare the structure variable. So what is the example here? Struct. After the tag name as book, then you can declare as the variable as B. Okay, the member of structure. So first one you have to access the member of structure as two types: member operators, another one stack point. Okay, so after that accessing structure using the member operator, we can use the symbol as dot. The member access operator is coded as a period between the structure variable name and the structure members. Okay, you will use the keyword of structure. It can define the structure type. Okay, the following example for how to use the structure. Okay, this is the example program for the structure. So first one, this program for access the salary for the person. First we have to create the person structure. So first we have to give the struct keyword, then you have to give the tag name as person, then you have the three variables there, name, ID number, after that salary. So after that you can create the structure name person1. Okay, then main function gives us a statement is that first one string copy of person1 dot name. Okay, the charge variable is moved to the new variable. Okay, so after that person1 dot ID number, so 1984 to the salary number. After that salary, so 2500 is moved to the salary. So some output statement is there. So name person1 dot name, so it can print the charge variable. So after that person charge site number is 1984. After that the salary is written as 2500. Okay, so in this programs create the structure name persons. We also create the variable of person name as person1. Okay, the main function, it can assign the values of the variable is define person1 for the person for the person1 object. Okay, so string copy function is assign the value to person1 dot name. Okay, string copy function is assign the value to person1 dot name. What is my nested structure? One structure within the structure that called as the nested structure. One structures can be declared inside the another structures in the same way. Okay, so it is a nested structure. Syntax is here. We can define the pointer as point to the structure is like any other variable. The pointers are called as structure pointer. We can access the member of structures pointed by the structure pointer. This operator as arrow. Okay, so we can use the structure is the first structure is used to define custom data type. It can be used to create complex data types such as day, time, complex number also. Okay, so which are not present in the language. It can also used in data organization. So very large amount of data. It can be stored in different fields. The structures are used to create the data structures such as trees, link, release, etc. Okay, they can also used for returning multiple values from your functions. Okay, so these are the uses of structures. Thank you.